We have another dryer malfunctioning. It is just rolling and making these loud thunderous noises as it's going, so took off the top plate to check, see if anything is broken. We cannot tell, so now we have to lug it upstairs. Okay, so we're back up here. We have moved the dryer back up into the laundry room. We plugged her in, and now we're going to test her out and listen to the problem. That doesn't sound good. I'm guessing it's a bearing or a roller situation, so we're going to have to take it apart and see what we find. Let's get to it. We have taken out every single screw that is attaching the back piece to it. So let's pull her off and see how she's looking. It's a lot worse than I thought. Just look at all of this. This is looking okay. So I think we found the problem. We've got rollers that are well worn, well utilized, and well abused that need to be replaced. So I have to order these, and they should be here hopefully in a couple days, and we'll get back to disassembly. In the meantime, we will clean out all this trash. Look at this lint build up everywhere. So get that cleaned, get it disassembled, get it back to working order, and start drying. We have the new wheels that we're going to be installing today. Hopefully that solves the noise problem. But since we have the back disassembled, now I'm going to flip her around, take off the front so we can take off the drum and access those wheels. First, let's take the plug and wires out. Lift and out. To the side. Make sure we unplug this. Alright, door handle, door taken down, taken off. Alright, as you can see here, in quite the pickle. This is dismounted, drum is loose, got everything off, except for one tiny screw way down here. So let's get this off and see if we can take it apart. Whew. Would you look at that? Alright. This is all just hanging. All right. These are need to be replaced. Let's see what we got. Look to be, they should be exactly the same. Well, this looks like a mess. Hoping to be able to get it back together and get it running again. So let's go get our tools. So next step, supported this with this makeshift rig. Loosened up the belt from the pulley down below so I can gently pull the drum out. Would you look at that? So we have our wheels, we have the motor, and before I reassemble, I'm going to clean all of this out. Looks like everything else is in good shape. This is fine. Stuff just all has to be cleaned. But I can start taking these off and replacing them. Halfway there, hopefully. Just a simple bolt. Let's cross our fingers that the next ones work. One down. Well, that's two. Now for the tricky ones. Of course, the last one is being a little bit stubborn, so got the old Allen wrench, and let's see if this will loosen her. In the pack comes with is a wheel and a nut. Just loosen that off. There are two washers from the previous wheel. Pull one on, and then stick that in the hole, put the other one on top, and then you got your nut. Easy peasy. Let's get her on. Just make sure they're all tight. There we have it. All new wheels installed. I'm gonna get a vacuum, clean this out, and then try to reassemble. Now that we got it cleaned out, let's get to putting it back together. I hope I remember how I did it. Let's find out. Now that's on. Rotate it. Get the belts square. And we're going to reattach the front. We're going to try to reattach the front. I think we got it. Get that in, gotta get that in, put that in, that in. But the rollers are supporting the drum. All right, reattach circuit board support. Getting there. Onto the front panel. First we're going to reattach this little boy. If we can get the right angle. Alright. Alright. She's secure. Now, let's get these popped back in. Just tabs in. Alright, tried 4 or 5 different things. I think I figured it out. So we'll go with this. I'm gonna first install the bracket onto the front and then try to put it back together. All right, now that's secure. And now we can secure the top. Whew. Oh, that took forever. All right. Now we gotta secure the bottom. Now it's time to clean out the back. So we have the electric washer wires. I have a full video on how to properly install these, and so we'll just go through, plug her in, and then we can move on to reinstalling the back. So green goes to green. Red goes to red. White to white. Black to black. All right, before we go any further, let's secure the back panel. Now for the 30-odd screws for the back. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Now for the electrical panel. I think it's time we test her out. Alright, well, the wheels work, bearings are all perfect, but the sound is not solved. So we're back to square one. Got it all disassembled again. It looks like, from what I'm reading online, and from what it sounds like, is that the blower wheel is scratched and needs to be replaced. So yeah, let's take a look. There you have it, completely busted. So every time it goes around, the scratch is right here. So yeah, well, gotta order that part. And hopefully we solve the problems. I'm gonna order another belt too for the drum, just because that's about to go, probably. And I don't want to take this part anymore. So yeah, let's hop to when the fan gets here. All right, we're back. Hopefully we got the right tools. Right, looky there. That's our problem. Now to find that, order it, reinstall it, and put it back together. All right, we are back. We have our new wheel. Look at that. Let's get her installed, put everything back together, and test her again. All right, counter threaded. Get her started. Look at that. Beauty. Now, to put it back together for the third time. Mount the front. Alright, we are locked and loaded. Now, screw in these son of a guns. Control panel mounting bracket. Attach these great things. There, here, attach that there. This will go and slide right on. Halfway there. I'm an idiot, forgot to plug something in. So let's take it apart again. I don't know if you can see, but that's the clip that we forgot. And by we, I mean me, because I've done this 4 times now. There we go. Alright, now put it back together again. Alright, let us flip her around, check the back out, plug her in, and pray. Now to replace that blower wheel, I did not have to take out the back, but I didn't know what the problem was, so we have to reassemble the back again, and then we should be done. As long as it works. Oh, oops. All right, let's just get this supported before we go too crazy and see if she will turn on and have no problems. All right. Moment of truth, round 3. We did it. That one was a doozy. That one took 3 days, a bunch of different parts, a bunch of teardowns, put back togethers, drying, tools, but we figured it out. Next time, one shot. I got this. Let's put her back together, plug her in, and leave. The last piece, the top. Let's seal in the tomb. Get out of here. The last two used all the screws. Didn't lose a single thing except for my sanity. But we've got a working dryer, and that's all that matters. Now, I need a beer.